Are you expecting to destroy such a happy moment due to a battery issue? Then find the battery faults before starting your travel. I have designed a simple circuit diagram to check the car battery condition. The circuit will indicate you when the battery is lower than 12 volts. Light in the red LED bulb. If the battery is in the sufficient level, the red LED will off and the green LED will indicate the good battery condition. This is another LED with color blue to indicate the engine is started. If the red and green both LEDs are on, it is to indicate the battery is required to be charged. We will move to the technical part. When the battery is low, only the positive current go to the base of the transistor, but it is not possible to activate the collector of this PNP transistor. Therefore, the ground power from 100k resistor is enough to switch on Q2 transistor and the red LED will on. If the battery is good, ground volt will go through D2 and D3 Zener diodes and the negative power will activate the Q1 transistor. Then Q1's collector will give powerful positive power to the base of the Q2 transistor. Then the ground power from R4 will be reduced. Therefore, the red LED will off. Same time the ground current from D2 and D3 Zener diodes will activate the Q3 transistor and green LED will on. When the engine is started, 14 volt will go through D5 Zener diode and Q4 will be activated with D6 blue LED. You can fine tune the voltages using VR3 potentiometer. Normally, a car battery has 40 mAh and the current will take around 10 mA at the standby level. You can build the project according to the given circuit diagram. Now I am going to test the project. Connect the project to the power. Then you will see that the voltage low LED Since the green LED is only on, the battery is good. Now you can check the project start in the car. If you noted that when the car is started, first red LED on and then both LEDs green and blue are on. I will show it as slow motion. It is because of the car takes more voltage to start the engine. Okay, you can see that the car battery checking project is working well. If you want, you can use a buzzer instead of the red LED. Then you can identify the low voltage even the car is stopped. I hope you have learned something with this video. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any comments, put in the comment section and visit www.setnfix.com for more details. Stay with SetNFix.